there's a food bank. Can we please get some food from it? Yes, we can. Let's stop. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Hello, can we please have some food? Yes. Just wait, I need to open the truck up. Right. Let's come to the window, please. I'll open it up. Right. Set my counter up. Hello, what would you like today? I would like, Maya, what do you want? I want, some clear Fanta, please. Oh, alright. Do you want to have some Fanta? Yeah. What does everyone else want? Nothing. Okay. I'll just get the food. Wait here, please. Okay. Fanta. Here you go, some clear Fanta. Here's your clear Fanta. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Alright. Here you go, Maya. Drink up. Okay. This is so refreshing. Oh, disgusting, Maya. Sorry. I didn't know a burp would come out. It's not my fault. Yes, it is. But fine. It is my fault. I've had enough of the Fanta now. Okay, I'll put it in the bin. Oh yes, remember to pay. Okay. That comes to $102, please. Here you go. Thank you. Swipe your card. Boop. Alright. Have a nice day. Okay.